Hey YouTube family, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and happy. Welcome to Fashion Forward, your go-to place for everything stylish, classy, and absolutely fabulous in the world of women's footwear. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning shoe trends of 2025. From stilettos that turn heads to high heels that shine, and mules that blend luxury with comfort. Whether you're a heel lover, a fashion trendsetter, or someone just curious about the latest in style, you're in the right place. Fashion in 2025 is all about combining beauty, comfort, and confidence. And your footwear says more than just where you're going. It shows your mood, your vibe, your story. So in this video, we're going to uncover everything you need to know about the latest stiletto designs, high heel upgrades, and must-have mules. You'll also get tips on what to buy, how to wear it, and how to make your footwear collection future-ready. Let's step into the world of elegance and edge, one fabulous pair at a time. 1. Latest stiletto trends. 2025 is seeing the return of stilettos with a futuristic twist. Think sculptural heels, see-through elements, and shock-absorbing soles. Designers like Balenciaga and Amina Muaddi are pushing boundaries with chrome finishes and asymmetrical designs. Bold colors, tech-enhanced insoles, and ergonomic heel shaping are redefining the stiletto silhouette. 2. High heels. Reinvented high heels in 2025 are blending glamour with wearable design. We see crystal-studded pumps, platform heels in bold tones, and hybrid designs merging sneakers with formal heels. Block heels, slingbacks, and lace-up high heels are becoming daily essentials for their balance and sophistication. 3. Mules in modern fashion. Mules continue to rise in popularity thanks to their effortless wearability and endless styling options. 2025 mules include velvet finishes, gold embellishments, and chic minimalist shapes. Transparent straps and pointed toes give them a modern edge while maintaining comfort. 4th, material innovations in 2025. Shoe fashion is no longer limited to leather and suede. New age materials like recycled plastics, 3D knit fabrics, vegan leathers, and holographic overlays are making heels both stylish and sustainable. Satin, silk, mesh, and crystal layering are commonly used in designer footwear. 5. Color trends of the year. This year, color stories are daring and expressive. Expect vivid shades like hot pink, tangerine, cobalt blue, and lime green. Neutrals still hold strong, with beige, cream, and metallics making the base palette. Ombre gradients and holographic finishes are also huge. 6. Styling tips for every occasion. Whether you're heading to brunch, a boardroom, or a beach wedding, there's a perfect heel for every look. Office, nude block heels or structured slingbacks. Casual outing, woven mules or low kitten heels. Evening glam, crystal stilettos or satin platforms. Formal events, pointed heels with pearl or stone embellishments. 7. Shopping guide, how to choose the right pair. Always prioritize comfort and structure. Look for padded soles, ankle support, and breathable materials. Go for staple colors like black, nude, or metallic for versatility. Invest in at least one designer pair and 2 to 3 everyday heels. 8. Foot health and fashion, balance of style and comfort. Fashion doesn't mean pain in 2025. Orthopedic-friendly brands now create elegant heels. Use inserts for arch support and rotate heel height to reduce strain. Moisturize your feet, trim your nails, and rest them after long wear. 9. Celebrity-inspired looks. Celebs like Zendaya, Hailey Bieber, and Deepika Padukone are embracing chunky heels, sleek mules, and sculptural stilettos. Copy their looks with color block outfits, structured blazers, and statement jewelry to complement standout heels. 10th budget versus luxury brands. Breakdown. Luxury picks, Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutin, Manolo Blahnik. Affordable faves, Steve Madden, Aldo, Zara, Shein Premium. You don't need to spend a fortune. Mix a few designer pairs with affordable trendy pieces to balance your shoe game. 11th, Maintenance tips to extend shoe life. Clean your heels after each use, avoid water exposure, and store them in dust bags. For suede and satin, use protective sprays. Always use shoe shapers and get professional repairs if the heel tips wear out. Thanks for joining us on this stylish journey through the 2025 heel scene. Your shoes are more than fashion. They're expression, confidence, and strength. Which pair are you rocking this year? Comment below with your favorite 2025 trend and let us know which style you'll be adding to your wardrobe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fashion Forward, share this with your heel-loving friends, and follow us on social media for daily fashion inspiration, behind-the-scenes previews, and exclusive giveaways. Until next time, stay confident, stay stylish, and always